The question is, what is going on with Bitcoin? Is it going to crash more? Has it reached the bottom? Are we done with Bitcoin going to keep going lower? What is happening? Where are we headed? In this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly and answering those questions with precision. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below something you got out of this video, something you didn't get out of this video, and whatever you want to say in the comments below. So getting straight into the video, what we see is that Bitcoin has been quite bullish. We have broken out of quite a bearish channel that we were trapped in for quite some time. And we finally broke out. And today we had a very strong pullback. Now, why do we have a pullback? Why do we have a crash or a dip today, which was quite substantial? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly why that was. Now, today the Fed spoke about interest rates. They were quite hawkish with some of the comments that they were making, and that crashed cryptos, that crashed the stock market. Nothing crazy, to be honest, nothing crazy, but the S&P has seen a pretty substantial dip today, guys. The S&P took a pretty big hit, and we were trading at 4202, so basically 420. We went all the way down to 408 back again. So despite the little drop we have had in the crypto or in the stock market, it's quite bullish. We are still breaking out. We are still, in a bullish continuation. So we're higher highs, higher lows. We're looking pretty fine. And after a lot of green, it's normal to see a pullback. So I'm not scared. I'm not freaking out right now. The NASDAQ is also seeing the same thing, the Dow Jones. So everything is looking like that. And then, of course, we have the dollar. The dollar pumped today, guys. The dollar the last couple of days has been seeing a lot of green. And again, we're seeing green right now as I'm making this video, and that has kind of stalled the crypto recovery pump this last hour. It's only stalled the last couple of minutes. We're going to have to see what the Fed is going to continue to say, some more comments, some other things that are going to be happening. We have the CPI reading this month. So I am thinking that this month is going to be bullish, that we're going to be quite higher than where we were in the month of May. At least starting from the bottom point here. That's personally what I am thinking. That is just my opinion. It's not financial advice. But getting back into the chart, looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin did take a pretty big hit today. And that, of course, is because of the Fed reaction in the stock market. And cryptos are definitely reacting towards that. With the dollar continuing to go up, that is a concern for Bitcoin. And the dollar continuing to go up does weaken Bitcoin's ability to continue to recover. But if we zoom out of the dollar and see what's actually happening, maybe this is just a little dead cat bounce. This is just a little relief bounce on an overall downtrend, because we have had a substantial correction, a bearish move to the downside with the US dollar. And it's probably more likely to continue. But if we do end up breaking out to the upside, that's going to be very hard for Bitcoin and cryptos to recover. So we will be keeping a close eye on the market. And the US dollar is going to continue to go up as inflation goes up, as they continue to raise interest rates in the stock market. But the raising of interest rates and inflation is only a temporary thing. It's not going to keep going up forever. The interest rates are going to keep going up. So those are just a temporary factor pushing the volatility in the markets. So as of right now, we still want to be cautious with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading around 29,800. Bitcoin definitely needs to get back up to the 30,000 range and hold that. That is a key level of support for Bitcoin, a key psychological level as well. And we are kind of just right now back in the middle of this range that we were spending weeks to break out of. We finally broke out of it. Now we are basically back down to the same exact level. But if we consider this movement here, we have a high, we have a low. This may be a bullish continuation to the upside. So we're going to keep a close eye on that in the Patreon. I help you to do that with my constant updates and alerts, exits and entries for cryptocurrencies. And if you guys want to learn technical analysis, I highly recommend you watch my course. It will teach you everything you need to know, even if you are advanced or even if you don't know anything about crypto. This course will get your feet wet, where you can start making financial decisions and investing decisions in cryptocurrencies yourself. Thank you so much for staying into this video. I appreciate your comments, support. Share this video with a friend or family member. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all later. Have a great night.